got? What is it? Paw Patrol? It's dog treats. Should we give them to Millie, Rupert and Lola?
Yeah.
Should we give it them?
Yeah.
Go on then, go sit down. Dad'll bring them. Come on then. Say sit. Say sit. Oh, good boy. We give Rupert one. Give one to Dada. Lola. Hey. Say wait. Wait, Lola. Good girl. Good girl. Say nice. Dada get one for Rupert. There you go. Rupert, here you go.
No.
Alright, Lola, don't stick. She stole it. Say naughty. Naughty, Lola.
No.
Give one to Millie.
No.
Give one to Millie.
No.
Do you want to give it to Rupert?
Yeah.
Okay. Rupert, here you go. There you go. Go give Rupert one. There you go. Good boy. Good boy.
I like you.
You got to give Lola some too. Say sit, Lola. Sit. Sit. There you go. Uh-oh. Here you go. Give Millie one. Give one to Millie. Good boy. Is it Paw Patrol? Who's that? Chase, yeah. You see Grandad? Is Grandad cleaning? Lola. Rupert too. Here you go. Good boy. Give one to Lola, yeah. And give this one to Rupert. There you go, Rupert. There you go. Again. Here's one for Millie. Here's a Paw Patrol. Who's this on the? Who's this? Chase, clever boy. Here we go. Give this one to Millie. Give this to Millie. Dad, I got more. Give it to Millie. Lola. Give this one to Millie. Give this one to Millie. Good boy. Lola. Give this one to Millie. Give it to Millie. Rupert. Okay. What about Millie? Millie turn. Here you go. You've done them all. Lola's turn. Go on then. One at a time. Just give Lola one. One for Rupert. One for Millie. Give one to Lola. Oh, Lola. Here you go. Give this one to Lola. Good boy. Lola. Yay. Are we all done now? A bit more.
Yeah.
Okay. Last one. Who are you giving this one to? Uh-oh. Has Lola stolen them? Give one to Millie and Rupert. Lola? Give one to Millie. Good boy. One to Rupert too. Lola. Rupert, you're a good boy. Are we all done now?
Yeah.
Ta. All done. Say bye-bye. Say love you. Say love you, Mum.